Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to a journey of prosperity and joy, where we tap into the infinite abundance that the universe has in store for us. Before we dive into our uplifting affirmations, I want you to find a comfortable space where you can be truly present. Let the vibrant energy of creation envelop you as we prepare to open our hearts to the wealth of the universe. Imagine surrounding yourself with a golden light, a symbol of the abundance that surrounds you. With every breath, draw in this golden energy, filling your being with its warmth and vibrance. You are about to affirm your rightful place in the world of limitless possibilities and boundless joy. Remember, abundance is not just about material wealth. It's about experiencing the fullness of life in all its glory. So, let's embark on this fun and spiritually enhancing journey together. Ready to attract abundance into every area of your life? Let's go. I am financially abundant and independent. I am financially abundant and independent. I have a positive relationship with money. I have a positive relationship with money. I am grateful for my prosperous life. I am grateful for my prosperous life. I am creating a life of abundance and prosperity. I am in sync with the energy of wealth and success. I am in sync with the energy of wealth and success. I am grateful for my abundant lifestyle. I am grateful for my abundant lifestyle. I attract financial stability and security. I am a natural when it comes to attracting wealth. I am a natural when it comes to attracting wealth. My wealth allows me to live my dreams. My wealth allows me to live my dreams. I am grateful for my constant financial growth. I am a positive example of wealth and abundance. I am a positive example of wealth and abundance. I make smart financial choices for myself and my future. I make smart financial choices for myself and my future. I am empowered by my wealth and success. Wealth flows to me from all directions. Wealth flows to me from all directions. I am attracting wealth in every aspect of my life. I am attracting wealth in every aspect of my life. I am confident, prosperous, and successful. I attract financial blessings and abundance every day. I attract financial blessings and abundance every day. I live in a universe of abundance, wealth, and prosperity. I live in a universe of abundance, wealth, and prosperity. I'm always in tune with the energy of abundance. My financial goals are within my reach. My financial goals are within my reach. I am grateful for my abundant financial resources. I am creating a life of financial abundance and freedom. I am creating a life of financial abundance and freedom. I am deserving of a rich and prosperous life. I am deserving of a rich and prosperous life. I am financially empowered and successful. I trust in my ability to manifest wealth and abundance. I trust in my ability to manifest wealth and abundance. I am the creator of my financial abundance. I am the creator of my financial abundance. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life brings me. I am grateful for my financial successes. I am grateful for my financial successes. I am attracting prosperity in all forms. I am attracting prosperity in all forms. I am aligned with the energy of financial prosperity. I am worthy of financial prosperity and success. I am worthy of financial prosperity and success. My prosperity is growing every day. My prosperity is growing every day. I am attracting positive, prosperous energy into my life. My path to financial abundance is clear and open. My path to financial abundance is clear and open. I am living a life of abundance and prosperity. I am living a life of abundance and prosperity. I trust in my ability to manifest wealth and abundance. Every day, I attract wealth and prosperity. Every day, I attract wealth and prosperity. I am grateful for my ever-expanding wealth. I am grateful for my ever-expanding wealth. I am destined for financial success. My life is abundant in wealth, health, and happiness. My life is abundant in wealth, health, and happiness. I am always attracting financial opportunities. I am always attracting financial opportunities. I am financially successful and recognize my worth. My wealth is increasing and bringing me joy. My wealth is increasing and bringing me joy. I am in a state of constant financial growth. I am in a state of constant financial growth. I am confident in my future financial success. I am creating a life of financial freedom for myself. I am creating a life of financial freedom for myself. I am living in a state of financial abundance. I am living in a state of financial abundance. I attract financial abundance effortlessly. I am deserving of a life filled with financial abundance. I am financially abundant and living my best life. I am financially abundant and living my best life. My financial success is inevitable. My financial success is inevitable. I am open to receiving wealth in all its forms. I am open to receiving wealth in all its forms. Every day, I am getting closer to my financial goals. And there we have it, wonderful beings. A tapestry of affirmations woven with threads of abundance and prosperity. As we conclude this session, I want you to carry forward this energy, allowing it to guide your thoughts, actions, and interactions. Visualize this golden light of abundance accompanying you, turning your dreams into reality and aspirations into achievements. Remember, the universe is always conspiring to shower you with blessings. Stay open, stay grateful, and most importantly, keep your spirits high and your heart aligned with the joy of living abundantly. If this session has sparked a light within you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting content. Your journey towards abundance is just getting started, and I'm here to walk this path with you, step by radiant step. Thank you for joining me in this celebration of abundance. May the universe bless you with prosperity, joy, and peace beyond measure. Until next time, keep shining your abundant light on the world. Namaste.